Sizing CHP microgrids require a good understanding of the building space, loads, utility tariffs, existing or proposed design equipment, and the project techno-economic goals. CogenS provides two different methods for CHP microgrid sizing. The first one is based only on the building electric and thermal energy profiles. CogenS uses the new electric and heating load duration curves, calculated at the Energy Profiles tab, and applies the maximum rectangular method to determine the CHP system size. CogenS then assumes the CHP system will run continuously for the entire year, and based on that scenario, will calculate the battery and thermal storage system sizes. First, CogenS will calculate the maximum accumulated excess generated electricity and thermal energies, and the maximum accumulated unmet electricity and thermal loads from running the CHP continuously at full capacity, and from the PV system production. Then, based on the minimum of the accumulated excess and unmet energy, CogenS will decide the energy and power size of the energy storage systems. The same concept applies to the Size and Calculate button for battery and thermal storage in the Energy Storage tab under Energy Resources. However, these buttons will use the CHP size and number of units entered in the CHP tab, instead of using the maximum rectangular method to size the CHP. When CogenS is done, all the system sizes will populate in the output fields at the bottom of the page. In addition, an electric and heating load duration area plots are generated showing the energy duration distribution of the different microgrid assets and providing a great visual of the project energy distribution. The second sizing method that CogenS uses is the Reopt Algorithm API. When this option is selected, the user is prompted to enter the input data in the sections listed in the reminder message here. The Reopt API algorithm will utilize these input parameters to recommend the optimal mix of renewable energy, conventional generation, and energy storage technologies to meet cost savings, resilience, emissions reductions, and energy performance goals. When the Reopt API server is finished optimizing, the system sizes will populate in the output fields at the bottom of the page, and the electric and heating load duration area plots are generated based on the Reopt algorithm assets dispatch. If the cooling system module was included in the project, the Reopt method will also populate the absorption and electric chiller system sizes and load distribution. In this case, the user must go back and recalculate the cooling, heating, and energy profile models again. If the Reopt API was called from the Cooling tab and was used for calculating the absorption and electric chiller systems, there will be no need to call the Reopt algorithm again. In the Microgrid Sizing tab, the system sizes will already be in place. The user can repopulate the Reopt microgrid sizing data by simply using the existing model option when prompted. Finally, if the user decides to use the Reopt API sizing output for the microgrid assets, they may also use its system's dispatch strategy by selecting the Reopt optimization option under CHP Operation Control. If you like this video and looking for a one-on-one demo of CogenS' other features, please reach out to us at info@jisenergy.com.